Hey everyone, welcome to Beyond Curry Leaf. Are you like me? I can't resist the smell of a freshly cooked rotisserie chicken. It's so delicious and juicy that we usually start eating it as soon as we get home. We always end up with leftovers. Today, I want to share two versions of my recipe that I make with the leftover chicken. First, remove the skin from the chicken. I save the skin for use in other recipes. Have you seen these Tupperware containers? I absolutely love them. I have been using them for about 15 years. They are perfect for storage onions and tomatoes and peppers and such. For this recipe, you will need onions and bell peppers, or for a bit more kick, use a combination of jalapenos and bell peppers. Finely dice the onions and bell peppers. I am also going to use some cilantro to add a touch of freshness. If you don't have cilantro, parsley will work great too. Finely dicing the leftover chicken is incredibly easy. Let's start mixing. In a bowl, combine the chicken, bell peppers, onions, and cilantro. Next, we will use mayo as a binder. Now, you can add either Sriracha or hot and sweet chili sauce for an Indian flavor. Season it further with black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Mix it well and give it a taste. I added a bit of red bell pepper for a pop of color, some more mayo for binding, and a bit of Sriracha for extra heat. Add a splash of lemon, and finally add cheese, which will enhance binding, moisture, and crust color. This completes the first version of the recipe. To give it an Indian twist, add garam masala, chaat masala, and roasted cumin powder. Mix it well and give it a taste. Adding a touch of red pepper flakes also makes sense to me. We will bake our chicken bites in a mini muffin pan. Spray the pan with non-stick spray. Place the mixture in each cavity and press it down gently. Bake in the oven and finish by using the broiler to form a crispy crust. Let's prepare the dipping sauce. Start with a base of sour cream or yogurt. Next, add hot and sweet sauce or Sriracha to taste. Finish the sauce with a sprinkle of chaat masala. Mix it well and keep it ready to be enjoyed with the hot chicken bites. Until next time, take care.